Hey guys, so we're gonna get going on some soybean combining today. I've actually started a little bit. I've been actually working my day job, working down at the farm this week. It's month-end week for me, so that's like a super busy week. But I was able to get out Tuesday for a couple hours. Wednesday I got out a couple hours, so I got about 4 hours in or something like that. I'm going to say about 20 acres done, maybe that much. We're up here in the smaller field right now. We're in the 60-acre field. The one that we'll go to after this is about 100 acres. So I don't know if we can finish this today, but we'll sure be able to knock it out tomorrow and get going on the bigger field. The weather's been great. It hasn't been real hot, so that's kind of nice because an older combine like this, we don't have air conditioning, so I end up running with the door open a lot, and that dust really kills my lungs. And I wear a respirator mask, and obviously that helps a lot. But I actually forgot it up at the camper, so I'm hoping I can run with the doors closed right now and it'll be okay. Otherwise I'm gonna have to run up and get it. One thing I did have to do before we got going here was I had to this is the mechanism here that makes the sickle go back and forth. This thing pivots back and forth here, and this stud, we had replaced this just this fall. The one last year, the threads are all screwed up on it and stuff, and it ended up getting sloppy, and it actually broke this drive head here. So we got a new drive head put on it, and then we just got the new stud put on it, and I'd ran it for a while and I was checking it and it was a little bit loose, so got that tightened up and should be good to go on that. Combine's been running good. I just walked around it, everything's looking good. I've only ran about 4 hours, so I'm not gonna grease it. We'll run it today and probably hit up some of the grease zerks tomorrow. A lot of them are 40-hour grease zerks, and we're obviously nowhere near 40 hours at this point. So anyway, we're gonna get going. So we got a couple rounds in. I just want to get out and see how the combine's doing here. When I first started, I was getting a lot of pods and stuff in the tank, so I cranked up the air a little bit. In fact, I got it pretty close to wide open, and the tank looks good. I just want to make sure I'm not blowing a lot of crap out the back. And I mean, you can see a few pods or some seeds on the ground, which I don't like to see, but I can go over here in the middle or at the edges of the header, and you can find seeds over here too. They're really dry. They're running about 11.3% right now. So when they're starting to hit the header, they're just, I'm losing a lot at the header, and there's just not anything I can do about that right now. So you can see there's some seeds right over here, here, and this is off to the side, like I said. So I don't see that the center where the thrashing happens is really any worse than what the sides are. So I don't think I'm blowing anything through the machine. So I think we're going to go ahead and keep running the way it's set. And I should show this to my brother here, because my brother did some rock picking out here, and look at this. He missed one or two. There we had Becky running the combine, and we got it on tape.
Okay.
So we got started combining a little bit on Tuesday and Wednesday. I got, you know, a couple hours in each night after I was able to get away from work. Thursday was about the same, just a couple hours. But then Friday probably got about 5 or 6 hours in, and today, Saturday, we've been running since about 10 o'clock. We're on the bigger field now. This acre is about 100. This field is about 100 acres. The front one was about 60. The front one's going to yield a lot better. I don't know our final numbers yet. We don't have all the tickets back from the elevator. In fact, we still got some stuff to haul. But it's going to look pretty good. Pretty good for us anyway. This one, not quite as much. We had too much moisture this year, so some of the lower ground just got drowned out. And that stuff is real poor. But we're hitting it. So thanks.